Do you often receive a prompt that your MacBook is out of memory? However, there are not so many programs installed on the computer. In fact, there are kinds of duplicates and similar images in the MacBook that take up a lot of its memory. So how can we quickly delete those items and get more space? First of all, you need to download a cleaning program like Macube Cleaner, which can help you quickly search and delete duplicates with one click, freeing up a lot of memory space on your computer. If you haven't downloaded it, get started from Macube or click the link in the description. Let's see how it works. Step 1. Scan duplicate items. Launch Macube Cleaner, find the duplicates in the left window, and select the path to be scanned. Then click Scan and wait for the scanning completed. Step 2. Check duplicate items. When the scanning is completed, different item types will be displayed on the left side. Click on the category you want to view, and the duplicate items belonging to this category will be displayed in the right window. You can adjust the sorting of items in the upper right corner for easy viewing. After that, click on the small triangle to the left of the duplicate item, and it will show you its specific items. Then click the magnifying glass icon on the right to view its details. Step 3. Select duplicate items. Select the duplicates that need to be cleaned up. You can select all of them or just one or a few duplicates. Of course, you can also directly click on the Auto Select button, and Macube will automatically select the duplicates for you. However, this may cause your important files to be deleted by mistake, therefore this option needs to be carefully considered. Step 4. Clean up duplicate items. After selecting the duplicates, click the Clean button, and Macube will quickly clean up the unneeded files for you to free up memory space. Well, that's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. If it helps, do drop a like and a comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe to Macube for more practical tips.